128 build on the Road Glide Special. It's a 2021 Billiard Teal. In my opinion, the best one you got out there for color wise, but run through some of the upgrades, might miss some stuff, but we'll see. So you got the HPI shorty, obviously. You got your Trask Air Cleaner, that clear in there. You got the 128 S&S kit, black push rods, tappet covers, lower rocker box. Got the Trask tranny breather in there. Got the all blacked out package for a lot of the hardware. Thrashin floorboards, front and rear. Got the Hogworkz short bags on there. Ohlins drop-in cartridges. You can kind of see them through the top here. And then you also got the Ohlins black lines in the rear. Set it up to go with the reservoir. Didn't need them, but I like the way they run. Probably the best shock you can get out there is the Ohlins. San Diego custom seat. Backrest is a lifesaver, especially if you got lower back issues from the military like me. Thrashin bar setup. You got a 5.5 inch bar with a 6.5 inch pullback plate. Sitting down, I'm 6 foot. You can see pretty much all your gauges. Once again, like I said, everything's all blacked out over here. You got your blacked out kickstand, got horn cover, the front, motor mount, all that, Thrashin shifter peg, floorboard still around here. Did the carbon shift linkage on here, which is pretty sweet. Blacked out rear shift arm, got that S&S 128 cylinders in there. And then it's got the Dark Horse crank in there as well. The Rekluse Clutch, just putting down 126 horsepower, 141 foot-pounds of torque.